Jason James here from TotalWineSystem.com. What I'm going to show you is actually how easy it is to use these winemaking kits. Basically, unboxing it, show you what's inside, and show you the entire process from beginning to end. Now, when you do this, there's instructions in here. I mean, you pretty much just read all the instructions and just follow them as is. What you're really going to need is a wine bucket for a fermentation bucket. You need a wine one because it's 8 gallons, and what happens is it makes 6 gallons of wine. But when you fill it up with the 6 gallons, you want to make sure you have some headspace, because that fermentation is causing some CO2. And if you had a 6-gallon bucket, it would blow off at that point. So that's why you want a wine one, because again, they're made for 8 gallons. These kits, they actually make, again, 6 gallons. So it comes out to about 30 bottles of wine, which pretty much when you buy the kit, you're looking at about $4 to $5 a bottle. Now, this kit itself is a California grape. It comes from the Paso Robles area, which is actually big wine country. I think there's like 200 vineyards out there. So that's actually where these the grape juice comes from, is from those vineyards. So again, you're going to see me open it up and really go through step by step. So the first step really is going to be there's a big bag of grape juice in here, and we're going to pour the grape juice into our bucket. Then we're going to top it off until it gets to 6 gallons with spring water. They tell you really not to use like tap water. You could try to use filtered water, but everyone that I've talked to always says that spring water is the best to use. You can just get it at your local grocery store. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add in the yeast. We're going to stir that in and just put our top on and put our airlock on top, and then that's pretty much step one. Step two will be then a week from today. You'll be able to see the next step. wine.